Hey guys, this is Candy again from Natural Hair Dynamics coming to you with another video. Of course, today's video is very special because guess what? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yay! Hey, 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 hey. Guys, today is my birthday and I'm super duper happy to be alive. Birthdays are something to be celebrated now more than ever because of, you know, the whole pandemic that we're living in. Life cannot no longer be taken for granted. So I'm so happy to be alive, thanking God to see another year. And yeah, but what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be actually reviewing this wig. Yes, I decided to get me a wig for the very first time, guys. I'm actually a wig virgin. So we're going to see this. We're going to do this together for the very first time. So guess what? This is a wig that I went ahead and ordered. And of course, it's another Amazon find. I am, you know, becoming an Amazon junkie. And so yes, I've been ordering hair from Amazon these days, and this is my latest find. This is how it's packaged. And this, guys, is a headband wig. I didn't want to go all out and to just go all in my very first time, so I'm just taking baby steps. So I'm starting off with a headband wig, of course, yes. And this is how it is packaged in a plastic bag, and this is the wig, and they have it in a protective mesh. And it is their wavy wig, and the density is 180%. It's 16 inches long, and I actually love the curl pattern. It's not too curly and it's not bone straight, so this is perfect. I love that look. That effortless, almost messy looking curl vibe. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the color 1B. And like I said, it's their glueless headband wig. Now, one of my reservations about wigs in the past is that I just wasn't convinced that it was secure enough. So my thought process is that I'm going to just put the wig on, and I'm going to be embarrassed because it's going to fall off or blow off or somebody's going to pull it off. I never ever thought it would be secure enough. However, guys, I'm pretty pleased with, you know, the level of security that this wig has. Number one, it has these clips. It has 3 in the front, and it also has one in the back. So we have a total of 4 of these clips so that you can actually secure that to your hair. In addition to that, there's this stretchy band that it is secured underneath at the back. Yeah, so we have that band that you just actually snap in place like such, somewhat like a bra strap. So that's the second layer of security. And then the headband itself has a Velcro closure that you actually can close at the back. So that's a triple layer of security. So I'm actually loving, I'm actually loving that about this hair, you guys. So it comes with this black headband attached. This is what the black headband looks like. However, in the package, it also has 2 additional headbands. So you could change up the look if you wish. First of all, it has this animal print headband. Nice. And then it also included this floral, black, and white, green, brown floral. Love this one. Super duper nice. And I think this is the one I'm going to go with for today. So also in the package, they have the weaving cap. Alright, so yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something different for the birthday. So yes, let me go ahead and take this off so that we can start the process. I'm kind of anxious / nervous, but excited nonetheless. So let's get this show on the road. All right, so my hair actually was gelled back already. I kind of had some twists in, so I'm just gonna allow the twists to be secured in the back with a hair tie and just keep a low ponytail. I'm glad that I do not have to corner my hair back because I'm not really feeling that right now. So without further ado, guys, the moment of truth, the application. Now, first of all, let me put the wig cap on. I don't know if I need it. I don't think I need this wig cap, you know, this weaving cap rather. I don't think I need it, but let me see. Let's see. Ooh, la la. All right, so I have to pull it back some because, yeah, I'm going to be leaving out about this much of the hairline. All right, that's good. And then now I'm going to be attaching the wig to my head. All right, so let's go. Oh, I forgot that I had closed this. I need to open it. I need to open it back. Open it back. All right, so let's get the show on the road now. All right, so putting it forward to the position that you want it to be placed in, and I'm feeling the two clips right here, just securing them underneath. And the third one in the front, likewise, I'm just securing that one underneath my hair at the same time. All right, and then the straps in the back, this first initial strap, the bra-like strap, I'm just going to be securing that. All right, and then the broader, yeah, so I just secured that. So now the broader band with the Velcro, I'm going to be going ahead now, which is this portion. So this actually forms a part of the actual headband itself. So I'm going to just find the other end over here, push it underneath, push that one underneath, and we just actually close it because it's a Velcro closure, like such. Perfect. Ooh, this is a look. Alright, so go ahead now, and I'm going to be fixing the actual band. I'm not going to be wearing the black one today. Like I said, I'm going to be putting the floral one over top this one. So yeah, you just go ahead and add that. not bad at all. I'm actually loving it. Yes. I'm actually loving it so far, guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is nice. This is nice. It is nice. I'm loving it. Did I say it's nice? It's nice. And the hair is not human hair, it's synthetic hair. However, the hair is so soft, and as you can see, my fingers just glide easily through the hair. It's a win for me. It's a win for me. Yes. And what I love about it is that in addition to wearing it down, I feel like I can style it in several different ways if I wanted to. Yeah, I could wear it different ways if I wanted to. I feel like I could wear it all on one side for one look. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure it can be styled in an updo, a ponytail, right? If I wanted to, do a more casual vibe with the hair, you can just spin it up in a ponytail like such, make a bun with it if you wanted to. Of course, I'm going to do some styles. I'm going to do a separate video to show you guys different ways in which I style this hair. And so yeah, for today, for the birthday, yes, we doing it down, girl. We wearing it down, yes. I love the density of the hair. It's nice and full, but not too thick. I feel like when the hair is too overly thick, it looks obviously wiggy, but yeah, this is a perfect density. Again, love the pattern of it. Love how nice and soft it is, how loose the curls are. Yeah. So let's go in now, and of course we have to treat the edges. Let me add some more edge control to my edges so that this hair can be 100% slayed, and yeah, this birthday look will be complete, of course. So let's do that, guys. Alright, just a little bit more edge control, nothing too much. I already had my edges slicked down earlier, so I'm just adding a little bit more just to give the edges a more fresher look and to make the hair a little bit more laid in the front. guys, I'm super impressed with this hair, and for the first time wearing wig, I can tell you that I'm sold. I am super duper sold. It feels natural, it feels secure. It's something that I know that I can grab and, you know, attach to my hair if I'm on a rush, or if I'm having a bad hair day, or if I just want to change up my look. And so yeah, this, guys, I highly recommend it. From Colorful Queen Store, this headband wig is the bomb. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you on my next one. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.